Hey buddy, what's up?
Okay, Loomo. Let's go.
What is this thing?
Any ideas? I'll be right back.
Cheer up, humans.
Pizza, Chinese.
Sorry, I'm vegan.
Watch this. 3, 2, 1.
Fancy a flyer?
Whoa.
You're welcome.
Okay, Loomo. Go.
Sir, yes, sir.
Introducing Muro Box, the world's first app-controlled music box. This mechanical music box lets you turn your unique tunes into cherished memories. By using our app, Muro Box can play any song you like. With just a few simple taps, you can create a melody in seconds. The Muro Box will play your creation right after one click on the app. Start a wonderful day with your favorite melody. Our patented cylinder design has flexible pins to plug each tooth of the comb according to your programmed music. Everyone has a special song that recalls a memory. Muro Box evokes memories. And recalls your precious moments with a classic tune. Muro Box will change the way you enjoy a music box. It enriches your life with surprise and allows you to share your love in daily life. You can upload unlimited melodies to our cloud library.
The need to measure will always be there. From straight lines to curves, compound surfaces, and everything in between. That's why we created Rollova, the world's first compact digital rolling ruler. We are introducing a new way to measure by removing the complexities of a traditional ruler. The Rollova is compact and simple to use. Just press and hold the button on the back and roll it across a surface. It creates and saves accurate measurements you can count on in the unit of your choice. Whether you're a designer or a tech lover, Rollova is for everyone. The rolling ruler is designed to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle. Rollova comes with a genuine leather case that fits onto your keychain in a second. Embrace this winning combination of high-quality materials, precision machined stainless steel frame, and a stunning minimalistic design. Rollova provides measuring capabilities in a range of units using a revolutionary user interface. By supporting this campaign, you can join us and make this epitome of convenience